Welcome to Dali Garment Factory. The first is our cutting area, where the amount of fabric and the approximate pattern will come out. Secondly, we come to the sewing area of clothing. After the clothing production is completed, it will go to the quality inspection workshop, where a variety of different styles of clothes are carefully inspected. Also, after the clothing quality inspection is completed, employees will package and label it. When the above series of production is completed, employees will package it and send it to customers. Finally, the clothing display.